one owner. This is a real deal. GTA 390 Pro car. Retains its numbers matching drivetrain. C6 transmission, 9-inch rear, all new suspension and brakes. Beautiful automobile.
Time of the bit. This is a one-owner car. Came out of the state. Time of the bit, and it is S-code. Time of the bit, you get it down, you get it down, 50, $50 here, 15, thank you, 17, 5, 17, 5, 20, time of the bit, 20, bit, 2, 5, gonna be 5, time of the bit, 25,000, another here, gonna be 5 here, time of the bit, 2, 5, gonna be 5 here, gonna be 5 here, time of the bit, 3, 4, I get to be 23, 4, I get to be 23, 4, time of the bit, 24,000, another here, gonna be 4 here, time of the bit, 4, gonna be 5, time of the bit, 25,000, another here, gonna be 5 here, I'm going to be 25,000, 26,000. I'm going to be 6 here, you're going to be 6 here. At 25 there, you're going to be 6 here, you're going to be 5, 5, 6. 26 here, 25, 5. 26,000.